Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian Only. Today's video is about SM Detox Audition. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country born in or between 2004 to 2011 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance, acting. If you have any one of these talents, then you can apply in this audition. But while registering, you won't need to attach any talent video in the form. You will show your talent in other rounds of this audition. Audition period from 4th April 2022 till 24th April 2022 11:59 pm KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 24th April, and please apply before 11:59 pm KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 24th April 8:29 pm IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. One picture of your school student ID, one full body picture wearing your school uniform. Note: wearing heavy makeup, hiding your face and using filter in your photo is not allowed. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in SM Entertainment Company and will get some SM artist goods gifts. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. In this audition, you can apply by two methods, Instagram or KakaoTalk. Direct message your full name, date of birth and contact information to either @SM Audition official Instagram account or SM Casting Room KakaoTalk channel. Audition Instagram account link and KakaoTalk channel link both are in description box. Now let's see how to send our application form. First, I will show how to send application through KakaoTalk. First, make sure that you have KakaoTalk app in your device and you have created an ID. To know how to create KakaoTalk ID, please watch this video. Now open the app, tap here, search SM and you will see this ID. Tap on it. I have also provided this ID link in description box. Tap on this chat option. Now write your name, date of birth, mobile number with country code, like India's country code is 91. Write your social media ID if you have any, otherwise don't write it, and write your email ID. Now tap on this plus icon, choose album, tap all, tap here, and from here choose your front one school ID picture and one full body picture in school uniform. And it's done. You have successfully applied for this audition through KakaoTalk. All the best. Now let's see how to send application through Instagram. Open your Instagram account. Search SM Audition. Tap on this account. Tap on message. Write your same information as you have written in KakaoTalk. I will copy my info from KakaoTalk and paste it here. Now tap here, choose your folder, choose your pictures and send it. You have successfully applied for this audition through Instagram. All the best. Results announcement. Within 1 month after 24th April, SM casting team will contact the winners individually via direct message, phone call or email. So I would recommend you to wait patiently until 24th May. Today's comment winner is Betty Tejumai. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.